How many committees of 5 members can be chosen from 9 males and 7 females under the following conditions? Now, the first condition is that there must be at least 3 females on the committee. So there's 3 different ways this could happen. You could have 3 females on the committee, 4 females, or all 5 would be female. Now, the way you could have, so 3 females, or 4 females, or 5. Now, the number of ways you could have 3 females, we've got 7 females to choose from. And so this is going to be a combination of 7 choose 3 because here, order is not important. So it's a combination. There is not any specific role assigned, so it doesn't matter if you're picked first or last for this committee, it just matters who's on the committee. So the number of ways you could choose 3 females out of the 7 is the combination of 7 choose 3. And the number of ways that we could choose 2 males to round out the 5 member committee is going to be 9 choose 2. Number of ways we could choose 4 females from the 7 is the combination of 7 choose 4. And then we would have 1 male chosen out of the 9 for the committee. Lastly, 5 females is going to be the combination of 7 choose 5 times 9 choose 0. So combination of 7 choose 3 is 35 times 9 choose 2 is 36 plus 7 choose 4 is 35 times 9 choose 1 is 9 plus 7 choose 5 is 21 and 9 choose 0 is 1. And this works out to be 1260 plus 315 plus 21, and that's equal to 1,596 different committees you could form using 3, 4, or 5 females. Now, next question is Chris has to be on the committee, and so there is one way to choose Chris to be on the committee, and then of the 15 remaining people, you're going to pick 4. So this is going to be the combination of 15 choose 4, which is equal to 1,365. Next question. What is the number of committees where you have at least one sex must be on the committee? So you must have at least one female and 1 male. Now, the way we can do this is to calculate all the ways we can form a committee using this 5 of the 16 people. Then we're going to minus from that the number of ways we can have 0 males minus the number of ways that we could have 0 females. So the total number of ways that you could form this committee is going to be the combination of 16 choose 5, because we're going to pick 5 of the 16 people, minus, now if we're going to choose 0 males, that's going to be 9 choose 0, as we had above, times 7 choose 5. So we're going to pick all 5 members are going to be female, minus, if we're going to have no females, then all the committee members are going to be male. So we're going to pick 5 of the 9. So that's going to be the combination of 9 choose 5 times 7 choose 0. And the total number of committees that we could form, 16 choose 5 is 4,368. minus, this will be 1 times 100, 1 times 21 is 21, minus, and this is going to be 126 times 1. So this works out to be 4,221. Now, next question, and this is where we're going to use some answers we had before. What is the probability that Chris is on the committee? And the probability that Chris is on the committee is going to be the number of ways that Chris can be on the committee divided by the total number of ways we can choose the committee. And up in part 2 here, we found the number of ways that Chris could be on the committee. That was 15, choose 4. And the total number of ways that we can pick 5 of the 16 people is going to be the combination of 16, choose 5. And so that works out to be 1,365 divided by 4,368. And so that is equal to, that simplifies to be 5 over 16. Next, what is the probability that there is at least one female on the committee? Now, the way you can think of this is, we'll say the probability that at least one female is on the committee is going to be 1 minus the probability of no females on the committee. So the indirect method will be the easiest way to do this. And so this is going to be 1 minus the number of ways we can have no females on the committee divided by the total number of ways we could form the committees. And so this is equal to then 1 minus, and the number of ways we could have no females on the committee would be, we would have 9 males and we would choose 5 of the 9. And then we would have none of the 7, so that'd be the combination of 7, choose 0. And this would all be over 16, choose 5. And so this is 1 minus, and the number of ways we could have no females on the committee was 126 from above, divided by 4,368. And this becomes 4,242 divided by 4,368, which is then 101 over 104.